Hello guys, welcome back to Stroll with me. I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video you're gonna see all the preparations of Eid al-Adha this year. We are in Berlin, and every Eid I don't forget to post the video, and here it is, another video. Before beginning, if you are new here to my channel, my name is Nida. I make all videos about my life here in Berlin and also my travels throughout Europe, and also I'm gonna share with you many useful informations and tips that gonna help you to comfortably survive here in Germany. So don't miss out any videos. Go and check out all my previous videos, and also in the description below you'll find some of the video links that might be helpful for you. So now let's get started.
For this Eid, I have planned for the open house so that guests are invited starting from 1:30 in the afternoon till evening, so that they can just come by at any time according to their convenience. And as you can see on my table, everything is already prepared and placed here. I didn't shot any video of the preparing because I just did everything in the morning and I couldn't have much time to shoot. But at the same time, we also had a potluck, so some of the people also bought some of the food with them, which was really helpful at the same time. But most of the things were also prepared by me at home. All the dishes have not actually captured in the video and also in the pictures. There were a lot many, and I'm always bad at, clicking pictures and taking videos in advance because I'm always in hurry. That's why I miss a lot of things and I couldn't capture everything to show you. So, some tips here: whenever you have a large gathering, more than 10 people, I will always recommend to buy the reusable plates, cups, or just use the use and throw plate cups because they are really very helpful. It will not create a lot of mess at your kitchen. People just eat and just throw them right in the bin by themselves so that you don't need to pick up the plates, put it in your dishwasher, etc. And you can get all those kind of stuff in Action, Woolworth, or Kick, and also in your local grocery store like Rewe, Netto, Kaufland, Aldi. You just have to search and definitely there will be section for it. To keep the privacy, मैंने सब फुटेज नहीं डाली यहाँ यूट्यूब पे, बट अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमारी ईद बहुत अच्छे से गुजरी. आप भी बताना कि आपकी ईद कैसे गुजरी. Definitely leave your comments inside the comment section below.
So that's all that we did for the Eid. And today, actually, the next day of the Eid, and we just came for a walk here in nearby park, and that's why I'm shooting this introduction video for you so that you will get the whole context what I have been doing for this Eid. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you very soon again in next video. Till then, take care and bye.